Josh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jess and this is Josh. And today we will be making a snow volcano. The first ingredient is vinegar, then soap, and then baking soda, and at least some filling. If you want, you can have some food coloring. Let's make it more colorful. And then the other one is Coke and Mentos. These are two experiments. This time we are making a snow volcano. First, you have to pick how big it is and how much you're going to make. We picked two because Joshua and me together. Mom helped us make the volcano because of course we couldn't have made it by ourselves. You could ask your mom to help you also. After making the volcano, next is to make the lava. Josh got to finish his volcano first, so he did the mixing first. He is putting the baking soda, the measure inside the measuring cup. We needed about 1 cup of baking soda. Soda. Joshua needed a little more time, but that's okay, right? After putting the baking soda inside the bottle that is buried inside the snow volcano, it's time to put the food coloring. Joshua picked pink, and I picked yellow. And lastly, the vinegar. I don't know what happens.
Josh! What's happening?
Josh! Do it as many times as you like. Yeah, do more vinegar, more vinegar. I'm gonna put this inside because it's my turn.
What is that? Baking soda.
Baking
3 go.
This is baking soda and it's my turn, so I'm gonna put it in.
Okay. One more. Okay. There you go. What's next?
With food coloring. Okay. And now I'm gonna pick 2 colors.
Okay.
I think 3. All of them because I can't pick. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off because it's gonna be fun. Be very careful because it might spill.
Is this with dishwashing already? Yeah, so put a drop of dishwashing.
Maybe 2 or 3. Oh wait. 1.
Okay.
2.
Good.
3.
Go.
Josh. Oh my gosh! I'm gonna put some more.
Judd.
I can't believe how amazing it is. And we are so happy we did it. And it was so fun with you guys.
Go.
I'm gonna do it all over again. Oh.
It's not working.
Wait, it's going. It's going.
Oh, and guys, you can do it at home too. Trust me, you will love it. Go try it. It's fun. Guys,
Quick. And
I hope you liked our video. And if you want to see more videos like this, go check out other videos on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Okay, then go, keep going.
Oh, and check out our other videos. Bye bye.